As a project manager, one of the unsung heroes of smooth operations is often overlooked: file storage. In today's collaborative, document-rich project environments, having sufficient space to store project plans, creative assets, client feedback, and countless other files within your project management tool is absolutely crucial. When considering a comprehensive platform like ClickUp, the question of how much storage do you get with ClickUp becomes a very practical and important one. Let's break down ClickUp's storage offerings, making it clear for anyone, from individual users to large enterprises, to understand how it impacts their projects. At its core, ClickUp's storage capacity is directly tied to its pricing plans. This is a common model among software as a service, SaaS, providers, where more advanced features and greater capacity come with higher-tier subscriptions. The free forever plan, a starting point for individuals or very small teams just dipping their toes into the world of project management. ClickUp offers a free forever plan. This is an excellent way to explore the platform's extensive features without any financial commitment. However, it does come with a specific limit on storage. With the free forever plan, you get 100 megabytes of storage. Now, 100 megabytes might sound small in an era of gigabytes and terabytes, and for certain types of projects, it absolutely is. This limit primarily applies to files you directly upload as attachments to tasks, list info, the notepad, or docs within ClickUp. This includes things like images, e.g., mockups, screenshots, task cover images, PDFs, e.g., contracts, reports, project briefs, small documents, e.g., Word, Excel, PowerPoint files, short video recordings, e.g., clip recordings within ClickUp. For a solo freelancer managing text-heavy tasks or a very small team with minimal file sharing needs, 100 megabytes might be sufficient to get started. You can still link to external files stored in cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box without them counting against this limit. This is a crucial workaround for free plan users who need to manage larger files or have existing cloud storage solutions. However, if your projects involve large image files, e.g., graphic design projects, numerous video assets, e.g., marketing campaigns, video production, extensive documentation with many attachments, team members frequently uploading files directly, then you will likely hit that 100 megabytes limit fairly quickly. When you approach or exceed this limit, ClickUp will prompt you to upgrade your plan. Paid plans, unlocking unlimited storage. This is where the game changes significantly. For any paid ClickUp plan, which includes the unlimited, Business, Business Plus, and Enterprise plans, where you get unlimited storage. Yes, you read that right. Unlimited storage. This is a massive advantage for any project team, especially those dealing with large-scale projects. Complex projects often generate a tremendous amount of data, from detailed technical specifications to comprehensive marketing collateral. Media-rich content. Agencies, design studios, or video production houses can upload high-resolution images, videos, and audio files without worrying about hitting a ceiling. Archiving and record-keeping. Project managers often need to retain all project-related documents for compliance, future reference, or post-mortem analysis. Unlimited storage removes any concern about deleting old files to make space. Consolidating information. It encourages teams to keep all project-related files within ClickUp, making it a single source of truth for all project documentation. This reduces time spent searching for files across different platforms. The unlimited aspect means that, for a monthly or annual subscription, you don't have to concern yourself with file size limits per attachment, though very large individual files might have practical upload speed considerations, not a hard limit, or total storage capacity for your workspace. This simplifies file management and allows project teams to focus on their work rather than constantly monitoring storage usage. Practical implications for project managers. As a project manager, understanding these storage tiers is vital for several reasons. Choosing the right plan. If your team relies heavily on visual assets, large documents, or video content, the free plan's 100 megabytes will be a significant bottleneck. It's an immediate indicator that you'll need to consider a paid plan to truly leverage ClickUp's collaborative features for file management. Workflow design. With unlimited storage on paid plans, you can design workflows that encourage direct file uploads to tasks, ensuring all relevant documents are readily accessible alongside the work itself. This minimizes context switching and improves team efficiency. Risk mitigation. Data loss or inability to access critical project files can be a nightmare. Unlimited storage on paid plans means you have a robust system to store all your project artifacts, reducing the risk of files being misplaced or deleted due to space constraints. Client collaboration. If you frequently share files with clients through ClickUp, e.g., using guest accounts or public sharing options, unlimited storage ensures that they always have access to the latest versions without you worrying about space. Long-term project archiving. Many projects, especially in sectors like construction, engineering, or legal, require long-term archiving of all project documentation. Unlimited storage provides a reliable solution for this, keeping all data consolidated within your project management system. While ClickUp is not primarily a dedicated cloud storage provider like Google Drive or Dropbox, its unlimited storage for paid plans makes it a highly capable platform for centralizing project files. This integration of task management with comprehensive file storage is a significant advantage, allowing teams to keep their work and the associated assets in one cohesive environment. In summary, if you're exploring ClickUp for personal use or very light project management, the 100 megabytes on the free forever plan might suffice, especially if you heavily rely on external cloud storage. However, for any serious project team that deals with a significant volume of files, requires robust collaboration, or needs to maintain a complete project history, upgrading to any of ClickUp's paid plans will unlock the invaluable benefit of unlimited storage, making it a truly powerful tool for your project management needs.